has 3 flat tires because he was stuck down here for a while. And the other one, he's standing tall up there above the mud pit. So we're going to need your help right now. First of all, this is going to be a heist to the muddiest God. God, are you ready? All right, look how big that thing is. God looks like you little bitty guy right there next to it. All right, so our first dodge is the one right up here by the mud pit. Let's hear it for that one. Now remember, if you win, last week you got to do a front flip right into the mud pit, but you don't have to do that. All right, our second dodge is the white one that was stuck down here for a while. Let's hear a little bit of a clap for him. The white dodge over to the far left. One more time for the white dodge over to your left. And last but not least, one more time for the dodge up here in the middle. John, what do you think? I think we're probably going to go with this guy right here, red shirt. Let's hear it for the muddiest dodge. Awesome. Come up here to the DJ booth, brother. We'll give you your money. Congratulations and thank you. We had our muddiest Chevy. We had last week. We had all the brands. And then tonight, the muddiest Dodge truck. So we give it away 3